Namaste, खुश रहो बेटिया. I Jabin Varsha Singh from Jyoti Vidyapeeth Women's University. In today's section, we will discuss about section 67, which comes under the cyber law. Okay, we have many section discussed in earlier session, and this is section 67. In 67 section, some point is considered of publication or transmitted in the electronic form and material which contains sexually explicit acts or conduct. And for this kind of threat, punishment is first conviction with 2 to 5 years of imprisonment and fine of 1 lakh rupees, and the second of subsequent conviction with the imprisonment of 7 to 10 years and also with fine, which may extend to 10 lakh rupees. And some other section 65, tampering with computer source document, punishment for this kind of act is offenses for punishable within imprisonment up to 3 years and or fine up to 2 lakh. And under 66(9), interception, monitoring of any information regarding the integrity, security or defense of India, friendly relation with the foreign countries. For this kind of act, punishment is 2 lakh and jail not extending 5 years. Some other sections like section 502A, publishing, transmitting images of the private area of the person without his or her consent. The punishment for this kind of act is 2 years jail and 2 lakh rupees. And section 419A, cheating by any communication devices or computer resources, punishment is 5 years. Section 417A, identify theft, punishment 2 years. And section 72, violation of the privacy policy, punishment is a fine up to 5 lakh, jail not extending 2 years. IT Act Amendment 2008, the Information Technology Amendment Act 2008, IT Act 2008 has been passed by the Parliament on 23rd December 2008. It received the assent of President of India on 5th February 2009. The IT Act 2008 has been notified on October 27, 2099. IT Act Amendment 2008, ITA 2008 is a new version of IT Act 2000. Provides additional focuses on information security, added several new sections on offering, including cyber terrorism and data protection, and under 124 section and 14 chapter. Schedule 1 and Schedule 2 have been replaced and Schedule 3 and 4th are deleted. Silent features of cyber law is digital signature has been replaced with the electronic signature. Under section 67 of the old act is amended. Section 66A to 66F prescribe punishment for absence electronic message transmission and cyber terrorism. Amended section 69 is gives power to the state, and sections 69A and B grant power of the state to direct, blocking or public access of any information through any computer resources. What is a SOPA and PIPA? United States American have many rules to regulate internet content. Currently, he is working on SOPA, means Stop Online Piracy. It is a United States bill to expand the ability to fight online trafficking in copyright intellectual property. PIPA means Protect IP Act. It is a proposed law of US government. World and Cyber Law. The Great Firewall of China monitors every movement in cyberspace and protect to publish by offensive content. China have a hold on every content which is harmful or dangerous for the government of China. In Brazil, it considered world's biggest airport for hackers. In Iran, is a also dangerous country for the netizens. He also have a crime police unit for crime in cyberspace. What is the importance of cyber law? We are living in a highly digitalized world. All companies depend upon their computer network and keep their valuable data in electronic form. Government form including income tax returns, company law form, etc. are now filled in electronic form. Consumers are increasingly using credit cards for shopping. Most people are using email, cell phone, and SMS messages for communication. Even in non-cybercrime case, important evidence is found in computer, cell phone. That is in case of divorce, murder, kidnapping, organized crime, terrorist operations, counterfeit currency, etc. Since it touches all the aspects of transmission and activity on and concerning the internet, the World Wide Web, and cyberspace, therefore, cyber law is extremely important. Okay, so this is all about this session. Thank you. I hope you like my session. If any query regarding this session, please comment below. This digital version 2.0 is provided by Jyoti Vidyapith Women's University. Thank you.